Hi guys, here we have some drone footage. I want to trim the video down to make a clip out of it, but I also want to retrain the subtitles that contain the GPS information. So in this video we'll use FFMPEG to do that. Here's the file information. We have a 4K drone clip at 30 frames a second, one subtitle track containing the GPS data. I've opened a command prompt, but I've also put the command on screen in text so we can go through it. FFmpeg minus the input name minus C:\v copy, that just copies the video codec, minus C:\s copy copies the subtitle codec, minus SS is the start position, minus 2 is the end position, and then the output file name. Here we have the file details of the output, still a 4K video and still contains the GPS subtitle track. Thanks for watching guys, I hope this has been helpful and useful. Please consider subscribing, clicking the thumbs up or the thumbs down.